Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to make Google Slides background transparent. So just go to your Google Slides. I have here a presentation with the text, and then I will go to insert and then click image and then upload photo from computer. So this will serve as my background for this presentation. I'll just rearrange this page so that it will serve as a background to my presentation. And then right click, go to format options, and then go to adjustments, and here you would see you can adjust the transparency of the photo. So I'll just adjust this further. Alright, so let's see how this looks like in a slideshow. So there it goes. That's how you make your background transparent in Google Slides. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.